If you celebrate Palm Sunday and you get a palm, I'm going to show you how to make a cross out of one of these palms. First, find about where the halfway point is and then go about a line 2/3 up. Fold it over and crease it. That's the spine of the cross. And then find where about 2/3 is, and bend it like this. Then you have the cross here, the cross piece. Try and keep it straight. You can adjust these. Always use a green one. If you get one that's already partially dried and is tan color, it doesn't work as well, and thin ones work a little bit better. Okay, so we have the cross pieces and we have these tails, and now we're going to start crisscrossing them like so. Okay, now the back piece, you want to tuck these tails into the cross pieces. Okay, like so. Pull them through. You still don't want such a long thing sticking out. So then what you can do is bring it around the front like this. So what you have is a simple square knot holding it together. You can trim these pieces if you want, make them shorter. And if you want to preserve it to use year after year, press it flat under some heavy books till it dries. If you don't, then it'll end up all curled and bent, and that's how you make a palm cross.